Still searching for that perfect recipe that's full of flavor for dinner tonight? Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With jerk chicken fried rice. So let's get started. Let's prepare the jerk seasoning. Time for the jerk sauce. Let's prepare the chicken thighs. Jerk spice has its roots in the African and the indigenous cultures of Jamaica. Jerk refers to the way in which meat is seasoned, smoked, and grilled. Jamaicans migrated around the world, and of course they brought their seasonings with them. Glad they did. Let's build the fried rice. let's get a portion of this jerk chicken fried rice on a plate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really good. The combination of aromatic spices of Jamaican jerk chicken, along with the comforting and savoring flavors of fried rice. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Yes, this is a delightful fusion dish that's easy to make and perfect for any night of the week. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like you found the right recipe for dinner. Stay with us. Watch the next video.